Greetings, this is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. CES 2023 recently completed, and Lenovo has unveiled some really exciting and new tech. This particular episode will only focus on a new Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying, I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As I mentioned, we will now discuss the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i laptop. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i comes in a variety of colors, the first color being cloud gray. In addition, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i comes in abyss blue. Furthermore, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i comes in violet. In terms of SSD drive options, it comes up to 1 terabyte of SSD TLC PCIe Gen 4 M.2 SSD drive in a 2242 configuration. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i has a variety of display options. It has an option that includes a 16 by 10, 16-inch with 2.5K, 2560 by 1600 IPS, 3500 nits. 350 nits, 100% sRGB, 60 hertz, TUV low blue light certification, SGS, eye care display certification. A second display option includes a 16 by 10, 14-inch display for the 14-inch laptop with 2.2K, 2240 by 1400 with IPS, 60 Hz, 300 nits, 100% sRGB, TUV low blue light certification, and SGS eye care display certification. A third display option for the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i laptop includes the 16 by 10 16-inch with WUXGA 1920 by 1200 with IPS, 60 Hz, 300 nits, 45% NTSC, TUV low blue light, and also SGS eye care display certification. In addition, this is a touchscreen model. The fourth option that the Lenovo IdeaPad has for a display is the 14-inch with a 16 by 10 aspect ratio in a WUX-GA configuration, 1920 by 1200 with OLED, 60 Hz, 400 nits, 100% of the DCIe P3 gamut, TUV low blue light certification, and also SGS eye care display certification. Furthermore, a fifth option for the display includes a 16 by 10 14-inch with WUXGA 1920 by 1200 with IPS, 60 Hz, 300 nits, 45% NTSC, TUV low blue light certification, and SGS eye care display certification. In terms of the memory, graphics, and battery options for the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i. We have 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory, which is the fastest and the latest and greatest memory. In addition, the graphics card comes with Intel integrated graphics. Furthermore, there's a couple of battery options, one of them being a 75.4 watt-hour battery. Another option is the 56.6 watt-hour battery. And then another option is the 47 watt-hour battery. In terms of the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i 16-inch version, it weighs in at 4.39 pounds or 1.99 kilograms. In addition, the 14-inch version weighs in at 3.51 pounds or 1.59 kilograms. Furthermore, if you're looking at the left-hand side of the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i laptop, going from left to right, we have USB Type-C 3.2 port, an HDMI version 1.4b port, a USB Type-C 3.2 port again, and also a combination headphone microphone port. In terms of the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i laptop, we have two 2-watt user interface speakers. Furthermore, we have Dolby Audio included with the laptop. In terms of the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i laptop, we have Wi-Fi 6 included. There's also an option to get Wi-Fi 6E, which is the faster of the Wi-Fi 6 connectivity option. In addition, the laptop includes Bluetooth 5.1. In terms of the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i laptop, this particular laptop includes a variety of different processors, actually about 10 different processor configurations, and I'll run through them with you. The first one being the Intel Core i7 13700H processor. The next is the Intel Core i7 13620H processor. Furthermore, it also has an option of the Intel Core i5 13500H processor. A fourth option is the Intel Core i5 13420H processor. A fifth option is the Intel Core i5 12450H option. A sixth option is the Intel Core i7 1360p option. And another option is the Intel Core i5 1340p option. Furthermore, we also have the Intel Core i7 1355U option. And in addition, we have the Intel Core i5 1335U option. And finally, we have the Intel Core i5 1334U option. For the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i laptop, on the right-hand side, we have the micro SD card reader, and we have two USB Type-A 3.2 ports. In addition, for the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i laptop, it's certified to MIL STD 810H standards for durability and droppability. In terms of webcam options, we have a variety of options for the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i. The first option being it comes in a full HD camera with privacy shutter and dual array digital microphone option. In addition, it comes in an IR full HD camera with time of flight depth center with privacy shutter and also dual array digital microphone option. I know what you're asking yourself. You're asking yourself, hey, Chris, is this laptop tantalizing? And before I decided if the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i is tantalizing, I want to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying, I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. And now, the decision as to whether the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i laptop is tantalizing. And the verdict's in. Yes, this laptop is tantalizing. In the next couple of tables, I'll detail as to why I think this laptop is tantalizing. In terms of tantalizing features, I've included those on the left column. For monotonous features, I included those in the center column, and unalluring features, I included those on the right column. Feel free to pause the video to go over the monotonous and unalluring features by yourself. I'll concentrate on the tantalizing features. In terms of the processor, this tantalizing laptop includes Intel Core i7 13700H processor. It also includes the Intel Core i7 13620H processor. Furthermore, it includes the Intel Core i7 1360p processor, and in addition, it includes the Intel Core i7 1355U processor. In terms of webcams, it comes in two different options. One with a full HD camera with privacy shutter and dual array digital microphone option. In addition, it also has the IR full HD camera with time of flight depth sensor with privacy shutter and also dual array digital microphone option. Further tantalizing features include the video cards. The video options that are with the laptop include a 16 by 10, 16-inch with 2.5K, which is 2560 by 1600 IPS, 350 nits, 100% sRGB, 60 hertz, TUV low blue light certification, and also SGS Eye Care display certification. Furthermore, you could also choose the other display option with 16 by 10 ratio, 14-inch version with the 2.2K, 2240 by 1400 with IPS, 60 hertz, 300 nits, 100% sRGB, TUV low blue light certification, and SGS eye care display certification. In terms of audio, you can choose the 2-watt user-facing speakers with Dolby Audio. In addition, you also have connectivity options of Wi-Fi 6 or the faster Wi-Fi 6E option. Also included with the laptop is the Bluetooth 5.1 option. For the monotonous and unalluring features as mentioned before, please pause the video so you can review those options. In terms of other tantalizing options, the laptop has an audio, headphone, and microphone combination jack. And I know you're saying, hey, Chris, why is this tantalizing? And the reason being a lot of laptop manufacturers are not including this particular jack on the laptops. You have to use a Bluetooth or use adapters to connect the headphone or microphone to the laptop. And I've also included other monotonous and unalluring features, which you can pause the video and review for yourself. In terms of more tantalizing features for this laptop, we have the different colors. Besides cloud gray, we have tantalizing features like abyss blue and also violet. We also have certification to the MIL STD 810H standards for droppability and durability. In addition, you have your choice of Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Pro. And feel free to pause the video to go over the other monotonous and unalluring features of this laptop. I want to thank you again for watching Tantalizing Tech. I have been your host, Christopher. In addition, I want to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying, I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. Wow, now that was tantalizing.